Creating an account on Saxo Bank is a straightforward process that allows you to access various trading and investment services. Follow these steps to get started. Step 1. Visit the Saxo Bank website. Go to the official Saxo Bank website. Make sure you're on the correct site to ensure your information is secure. Step 2. Click on Open an Account. Look for the Open an Account button on the homepage. This will direct you to the account registration page. Step 3. Choose account type. Select the type of account you wish to open, such as an individual account, joint account, or corporate account. Review the options and choose the one that best fits your needs. Step 4. Fill out the registration form. Complete the online registration form with your personal details, including your name, email address, phone number, and any other required information. Ensure all information is accurate. Step 5. Submit your application. After filling out the form, review your information for accuracy and submit your application. You may receive a confirmation email with further instructions to verify your identity. Once you have completed these steps, you will be on your way to accessing the services offered by Saxo Bank. Make sure to follow any additional instructions provided in your confirmation email to finalize your account setup.